This video tutorial I will explain what are AWS S3 CLI commands. AWS S3 CLI commands are tools. Using that, you can manage your Amazon S3 storage directly from your computer's terminal or command prompt without needing to use the web interface. It's like typing instruction to interact with your cloud storage instead of clicking button on the website. Why we have to use AWS S3 CLI commands? First point is speed. Perform tasks like uploading or downloading files much faster than using the web interface. Second point is automation. You can run scripts to manage your S3 storage automatically. Third point is efficiency. You can handle multiple files or operations with one command. Now we will see how to start using AWS S3 CLI commands. For that, first you have to install AWS CLI. I have created separate video. You can find the link in this video description. Next, you have to configure your account using AWS configure command. Then it will ask access key, secret key, and region that you have to provide. We will see how to do that. I have logged into AWS console. Search for IAM. Click on user groups. Click on create group. Provide the group name. AWS S3 full access. Then we have to attach a permission policy. Search for S3. And here you can see Amazon S3 full access. Select that. Click on create user group. The group has been created. Click on users. Click on create user. Provide the username. Click on next. And select AWS S3 full access group. Click on next. Click on create user. The user has been created. Click on this. Click on security credentials. Click on create access key. Select CLI. Click on next. Click on create access key. And here you can see access key and secret access key has been created. Click on download CSV file. It contains access key ID and secret access key. Click on done. Open the command prompt. Use this command AWS configure. It is asking AWS key ID. Next it is asking AWS secret access key. Copy this. Then it is asking default region name. Provide that. The configuration is done. Now we will see basic concepts of AWS S3. The first one is buckets. Buckets are like folders on your cloud storage where you keep your files. Next one is objects. Objects are your actual files stored in the buckets. Next one is commands. Commands are simple instructions you type to tell AWS S3 what to do, like copy a file or list all the files, etc. To show list of all your buckets, you have to use this command AWS S3 ls. Execute this command. There is one bucket is there and it is created this date and time. Search for S3 and here you can see there is one bucket is there. Same thing you are seeing here. To display all the files inside the specific bucket, you have to use this command AWS S3 ls S3 colon double slash then your bucket name. Run this command. Here I have provided the bucket name. In this bucket, there are two files are there. Here you can see. To copy file from your computer into the bucket, you have to use this command AWS S3 CP then your file name then the bucket URI. In my local computer, this image is there in this location. Now I am going to upload image to this bucket. It is uploaded successfully. Click on refresh and here you can see newly uploaded image file. To download a file from the bucket to your computer, then you have to use this command AWS S3 CP, then the bucket URI with file name, then your local folder location. Here you can see the download folder is empty. Run this command to download this image file from bucket to the local folder. It is downloaded and here you can see the image has been downloaded. To copy a file from one bucket to another bucket, we have to use this command AWS S3 CP, then source bucket URI with the file name, then destination bucket URI. Now I am going to create one more bucket, which is destination bucket. Bucket is created. It is empty. Now I am going to copy this file to the destination bucket. Run this command to copy this bad.jpg from this bucket to this destination bucket. It is copied. Click on refresh and here you can see the file is copied from source bucket to this destination bucket. To copy all files from a local folder to a bucket, you have to use this command AWS S3 sync then local folder location then S3 bucket URI. Here you can see this images folder has three files and this bucket has one file. Now I am going to execute this command. Now it has three files and in destination bucket also three files are there. To delete the entire bucket along with its contents, you have to use this command AWS S3 RB then the bucket URI then at the end ---- force. Now I am going to delete this bucket. and the bucket and its contents are deleted. The bucket name is dest rom bucket. Click on refresh and you can see that bucket has been deleted and currently only one bucket is there. Who can use AWS S3 CLI? Beginners can use to explore and manage S3 storage with basic commands. Professionals can use to automate and streamline storage operations. Why we have to learn AWS S3 CLI commands? It is like learning shortcuts on your computer. You save time, manage your files efficiently, and unlock advanced possibilities with your cloud storage. The conclusion is AWS S3 CLI commands are like giving simple and direct orders to manage your cloud storage. Whether you are uploading family photos, backing up work documents, or synchronizing entire folders, these commands make it easy to control your files without needing a graphical interface. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.